Trying to decide between the BMW X5 and the BMW X3? Let's break down a few of the key differences and decide which one would be best for you. The BMW X3 is sporty, compact, and perfect for city driving. Powered by a 2-liter BMW twin-power turbo engine with up to 248 horsepower, plus available xDrive all-wheel drive for confident handling in any condition. The X5? Bigger, bolder, and built for more space. The engine options range from a turbo inline-6 to a powerful V8 engine, delivering up to 523 horsepower in the M60i. Inside, both vehicles offer premium materials, including a gorgeous digital display and BMW's latest iDrive system with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. But the X5 can step it up with available multi-contour seats, glass controls, and optional third-row seating for added versatility. Looking for agility? The X3 feels quick and nimble, especially with its lightweight design and responsive steering. Want power and comfort? The X5 delivers a more commanding and smooth ride with available air suspension and enhanced sound insulation. When it comes to space, the X3 offers 62.7 cubic feet of cargo room, plenty for everyday use. The X5 expands on that to 72 cubic feet, perfect for families, long trips, or hauling more gear. Both models come loaded with safety tech, like active driving assistant, lane departure warning, and blind spot warning, while the X5 offers more advanced driver assistance for highway cruising. So which one fits your lifestyle? The BMW X3 for efficiency, performance, and city-friendly versatility, or the BMW X5 for elevated luxury, power, and space? To learn more about the BMW X3 or X5, you can visit our website at patrickbmw.com or come shop in person at our location in Schaumburg, Illinois.